Okay, so recording will start and now let's start the conversation. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today have the fresh episode with Muhammad Tamoor. Hello Tamoor,
Hello,
how are you sir?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm also good. May I know about you sir, if you don't mind?
My name is Mohammad Taimur. I am from Pakistan, Sialkot.
Okay,
Currently, I am living in the UAE, Abu Dhabi.
okay, so nice introduction, bro. Okay, so now let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Munib, and I am from Pakistan, and now I'm living in Lahore, and I have graduated in software engineering, and now I'm working in software tech industry, and have 3 year experience in this field. Apart from that, I run our YouTube channel, and nowadays I start working on our communication skills, especially in English speaking language. So that's all from my side.
Okay, that was a good introduction.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Mhm.
Okay, so have a specific topic for conversation. Just go the flow of the conversation. Like, have any specific question for me?
I don't have any specific question. You can continue random talk.
Okay, okay, no problem. So how long you are working on this language?
Actually, I am not working on this language at the moment. I'm just speaking here normally with my colleagues in the office, as I am working in an office as an office receptionist. I am
Okay,
working about work on the daily basis. Sometimes 2 3 sentences, sometimes 1 minute, 2 minutes, like that. I am not practicing 1 or 2 hour on the daily basis. Once
okay,
I joined one tutor online, but I continue only 3 days. I continued only 3 days. I took 3 days classes. Then I could not continue because of time. I could not manage
okay,
time.
bro. Okay, sorry, bro, for that.
Okay.
Okay, now you can continue, please.
I was talking about that I did not learn. I am not learning, and I'm not talking. I on the daily basis, sometime half hour or 1 hour,
Okay,
especially just using social media, watching YouTube videos, conversational videos, and I am talking with my colleagues in the office. Sometime 2 3 sentences, sometime 1 minute, 2 minutes maximum.
okay.
Once I joined one tutor from Pakistan, online tutor, but unfortunately I could not continue because I had no time. I could not manage time.
Okay, bro. So how long you are like watching conversation video and try to speak with your colleagues and
I have been watching videos for 3 years because I was since I am living here. I
okay.
have time. I am watching video on the daily basis.
So
Sometime one
especially in
video,
English
sometime
conversation, so you are watching your video like around before 3 year ago.
I am watching because when I am scrolling YouTube, there are many conversational videos,
Okay,
mostly from India.
okay.
Not mostly. I think every video from India, there are many YouTubers. They
Yes.
are making
In India, if
conversational
we're
video,
talking about
and they
in
are
India, so most of the YouTubers like working on communication skills, especially in English. But I think I only one in Pakistan that start the this steps. So
yes, yes,
that's why. But basically,
yes.
you're like very fluent in this language, but you are lacking in something. Like you are watching 3 ago like in English conversation video. So, but start speaking just few days ago. So basically, if you want to become fluent in this language, so the main step is to like speak. as more, speak as more like it's not a thing like your speak is a proper English. You can speak some in early day you speak broken English, but with the time passage of time you can automatically correct and fluent in this language. So if you want to become a fluent in this language, so I will tell you a three exercises you can do daily base, and you definitely get a fluency in this language in just a 3 or 4 month. So first one is daily read books, any kind of book, fictional and non-fictional. It's depend on totally depend on you. So what kind of interest you have and what kind of books you read. So daily 20-25 minute reading and 20-25 minute listening, listen as a podcast, any video, watch any English movie. Again, it depend on your choice. And third one is speak daily. So yeah, third one is the most important. If you watch videos, read books daily but not speak daily, you cannot get fluency in this language. So speaking is a most important part if you want to if you want to become a fluent in this language. So around daily like 20-25 minutes speak with the with our clients and colleagues, or do shadowing practice like that thing. So it's it really depend on you. So that's my point.
Yes, your point is good.
Okay,
I agree with your point.
okay, thank you.
I was talking about that. I was about to say that when I saw you on YouTube first time, I was glad that first time I saw any Pakistani YouTuber
Okay,
who
thank
is
you, bro.
making conversational videos and who's trying to learn and teach, trying to improve his English.
Yes. So basically nowadays, bro, I'm not
I
teaching.
watched
I'm
many
just
videos,
try to
many,
improve.
even I know many names from India.
Yes.
They are watched their videos,
Okay.
but I did not
Yes.
watch. I was talking about that. I did not watch any video from Pakistan, and I
Yes.
was thinking once I was talking with my friend that nobody is trying and making videos and not learning. Maybe there are many students they are learning online, joining online platform.
Yes.
I have watched many. Even I did 2-3 sessions online video conversations sessions with Indian people.
So, bro, it's a good initiative. Like
Two
if
three
you
sessions I have done
attending session with
already
Indian peoples,
with
or
Indian.
it's a like depend on your choice. It's not like Indian Pakistani. The main motive is you to learn this language. So you are like is a good initiative. Take session with Indians even whatever you available for easily on your break time or your like off time. So you take the session with YouTuber. And also one more thing, if you want to consistent in this language, you create your own channel for English purpose. So it's like a motivation for a person like you get a views and subscribers and you put your efforts on this, and you can definitely like become a consistent with this. So that's why I started my YouTube channel. So I will suggest you can definitely start your YouTube channel and to like your maintain your consistency, and you can get definitely fluency in this language.
Yes, you are right. There are many mediums nowadays like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. There are many sources which we can use. We can learn a language or
Yes.
we can study online nowadays. So it was good initiative. When I saw you first time on YouTube,
Okay.
2 days ago I saw your video. Then I first time I was happy. I thought that what happened? Maybe some
Yes,
connectivity
it's
issue or
a
what?
internet issue from my side, so sorry about that. Just give me a second. Yes. No, it's a little bit stable. So please continue.
I think now.
Yeah.
I think
No, it's better.
now working good.
Yes, yes.
Mhm. Yes, this was I was talking about online learning
Yes.
and YouTube. YouTube and social media. Nowadays, many people, even I saw on TikTok, many people from other countries, from Bangladesh, from other countries, they are going live on the daily basis and they are speaking 2 hours, 3 hours with their audience, with their
Yes,
guests. But I never see any Pakistani who's going live and learning English or teaching English or on the YouTube.
yeah.
There are some professional teachers who are doing they're making videos on and after they are uploading on YouTube, but they are not doing conversational videos.
Yes. In this niche, have any include like Pakistani YouTuber, but have the other like YouTuber upload the English videos and like have upload the methods to how to improve your English fluency, but not have upload the conversation video. So maybe in future some someone create a YouTube channel and upload these kind of videos. But for now, just not I'm a single person in this niche. So
You also realized that no there is no any other YouTuber and you did not see any video on YouTube,
yes,
any
same.
conversational
Yes,
video,
yes,
right?
you are right. Like I attend the 2025 session till now and have the like watch the daily conversation video for our listening practice. But I do start working on this language before 3 months ago. So in these 3 months, I not watch a single YouTuber that belong to Pakistan working on this language. So actually, you are saying right.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so which kind of like you doing job in? Are you Saudi Arabia or Dubai,
As I mentioned earlier, I am living in the UAE, Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi? So which kind of your job you are doing in Abu Dhabi?
I am working in an office as an office receptionist. I work in a transport company.
Okay, so English is the important for you if you are working on a company as a receptionist. So different kind of people, different kind of language people come in the reception and take the information related transport and like that. So I think you are taking a good initiative and it's helpful and you can definitely grow your career and as well as your communication. So be consistent and do some practices I told you in earlier. So in 4 or 5 months is enough to improve your like speaking skill. So like I told you one thing, bro, like more our concept is when you are good in your grammar then you can speak English, so it's totally wrong. So basically if you know about the basic grammar like differentiate past, future and present sentence, it's enough for learning this language. So then you directly start speaking. So few started month or maybe some few started days you speak not correct English, but in like upper passage with the time you can definitely correct your sentence and fluent in this language.
Yes, I agree with you. You are right that in speaking, grammar is not as important as in writing and reading.
Reading.
In fluency, when even in the IELTS exam, they judge candidates' fluency, candidate
Yes,
flow, how well he speaks. No matter he is making, he or she are making mistakes, no problem, because this
yeah,
is our second language. So speaking, in
yes,
speaking, grammar is not as important as in reading and writing. Yeah,
okay,
I agree with you.
okay. So have any question, another question for me, like
Where are you working in a company or?
Yes, I'm working in software tech industry, Premier NX, that exists in Lahore. Basically, the main branch is from USA. In Pakistan, I
Okay.
have the child brand, and I'm working in as a software developer.
Software developer. No, what is your job? I mean to say,
Yeah,
software.
basically, I develop the applications that help to that help real life, like that help people in real life, like do task easily and well managed. Basically, in if we're talking about like in past, all the data or all the company's data and save in the like file system, a hard form. But nowadays, companies have the applications. You definitely have you are working in the company, so have the applications to maintain the record of transport data. So same kind of applications I developed, and our client in most European sides and large companies owners, he will ask to develop the software that maintain and our data and also specific task for. So I will like working on this, and this is my job basically.
So it means a kind of IT job,
Yes,
information technology,
yes, yes.
similar.
Yes,
Mhm.
same.
So you told me in the beginning you are living in Lahore. Where are you from basically?
So I'm basically from Bahawalnagar, Fort Abbas. You know about?
I have heard Bahawal Nagar city, but I have never been to Bahawal Nagar. I have heard only.
Yes. So I have the 100 kilometer distance from like our city, 100 kilometer from the far from the Bahawalnagar. So basically, our tahsil is uh, Fort Abbas and district is Bahawalnagar.
Bahawal Nagar is in Punjab.
Yes, it's in Punjab.
Okay, okay. I
So
am
where are
from
you from basically, bro? In Pakistan,
I am from Sialkot,
Sialkot. So Sialkot also I think included in Punjab or not?
Punjab. Yes,
Punjab is
Punjab.
okay. Okay. So how much time?
Allama Muhammad Iqbal was from Pakistan.
Yes, yes,
I was from Sialkot. Sorry.
yes. No. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, so bro, I think it was already 25
yes.
minutes. So let's wrap up our conversation. So if you have the other specific questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will wrap up the conversation.
Question at the moment. It was a good conversation. Nice to meet you. In future, maybe we will do again
Okay, sir. Sure.
another session. I
Okay,
will
sure.
continue. We will keep in touch.
Okay, okay, sure. So, bro, basically you're doing very well. Be consistent. And I told you some practices. Try to make follow these practices, and you can definitely improve your this language. So, okay, take care and bye bye.
Yes, yes. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you very much.